To properly bridge a car battery, first ensure both cars are turned off and in park. Connect one end of the red jumper cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery and the other end to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, connect the black jumper cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Attach the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal surface on the car with the dead battery, away from the battery itself. Start the engine of the car with the good battery and let it run for a few minutes. Then, attempt to start the car with the dead battery. Once the car starts, remove the cables in reverse order. Black cable from the car with the dead battery, black cable from the good battery, red cable from the good battery, and finally, red cable from the previously dead battery. Always wear safety glasses and gloves, ensure the cables do not touch each other, and avoid sparks near the batteries. Thanks for watching.